Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a spicy pepper tofu or Hong Kong tofu. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, then keep watching. So to make this recipe, I already cut up and dried the tofu ahead of time. You want to try and get as much as the moisture out of it, and to that I'm going to go in with some Chinese seasoning salt just over it a little, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let it absorb that salt. You don't want to mix it in because you can break apart the tofu, hence the reason why I'm just letting it sit. In the meantime, I'm going to put my oil to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we go ahead and we'll fry these until they're nice golden brown and crisp. Okay, when the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add in the tofu. Be careful. So guys, once the tofu is nice and brown, you're going to take it out and drain it on some paper towels and allow that oil to drain out properly. So guys, for this you can use a big skillet or frying pan as I'm using, or if you have a wok, you can use your wok. Now I like starting off with some sesame oil, and I do have my heat on a medium low for this. You don't want to have your heat too high, you want it to be low or medium low. You don't typically use sesame oil in the beginning of a video, but I love to put it to flavor my aromatics. So to that I'm going to go in with some freshly minced ginger and some freshly minced garlic, and I'm going to allow this to saute in here until the garlic is tender and it's very fragrant. Okay, now to this I'm going to go in with my fried tofu. Just want to toss that. Make sure your garlic is not burning, guys. If you burn the garlic, it's gonna taste really bitter. Now I'm going in with some chopped habanero or scotch bonnet peppers. The reason why I didn't fry it up in the oil is because it's going to affect the baby if I do that. So if you wanted to fry the peppers in the oil, of course you can. I'm also going in with some chopped pimento peppers or sliced pimento peppers. And now I'm going to allow this to saute a little to bring out the oils in the peppers. It's gonna still get very fragrant. So allow this to saute in here or fry up in here for about 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some sliced or julienne bell peppers, and I'm using multicolored bell peppers here. And some sliced red onions. Now I'm going to season this with some 5 spice powder, just a little bit. You don't want to overpower it. And remember, the 5 spice powder contains salt, so you also don't want to overdo it, because we're also going to go in with some more JGM Chinese seasoning salt and toss. Make sure that those salts are incorporated properly, because you don't want to bite into it and you get like a lot of salt in one bite. So mix. I like leaving my vegetables tender crisp. So once it's mixed in, I'm going to take off the stove. It smells so fragrant, guys. So I'm taking off the stove. And all I have to do now is I'm going to put in tons of chopped scallions, or sife as we call it in Trinidad. It's also known as green onions. So you want to add that in, toss, and then this is ready. So now I'm just going to plate this, and this is ready. This is going to go so great with some fried rice. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for pepper tofu. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I have other variations on my channel. I will leave it as an end card for you guys. Try this recipe, let me know it goes great with any type of Chinese sides, fried rice, any type of noodles you would like to eat it with. It's perfect. You can even eat it with plain white rice if you wanted to. So if you guys give this recipe a try, let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.